Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to turn chlorine pool into saltwater, only way. Test current chlorine and pH, then lower free chlorine to near 0 and stabilize pH between 7.2 and 7.6 before installing the chlorinator. Measure pool volume precisely and choose the correct chlorinator size. Clean and inspect filtration, replace worn parts, and wire the system safely to a dedicated breaker following manufacturer instructions for reliable operation. Rinse and protect surfaces first, then calculate exact salt needs based on pool volume and target ppm before adding salt. Add non-iodized pool-grade salt evenly around the pool perimeter with the pump off, then run filtration to dissolve salt fully and circulate salt solution through the system. Wait until salt is fully dissolved and retest salt level, adjusting with small additions if needed to hit the ideal range for your chlorinator. If you're finding this useful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more pool tips. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It keeps your car smelling great while you work on pool projects. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoyed this tip, share it with a friend. Now let's get back to the video. Inspect the cell and control unit for shipping damage, then install per manufacturer torque and orientation guidelines to ensure flow and longevity. Connect wiring following electrical codes and include a switch or timer if recommended. After adding salt and dissolving, calibrate the control to your target ppm and allow the system to condition for several days while monitoring chlorine, pH, and salt levels for consistent sanitation and water balance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.